Ang daming chiki, oh. Mga chiki, oh. Hi, guys. So, ngayon, guys, late na naman. Magda-dive na naman kami. And, yun. Let's go diving. And, natulog ako kanina. Matagal-tagal din ako. Mataas-taas din yung tulog ko para lang makapag-dive tayo, diba? Yung ibang basurahan na pinuntahan ko, meron siya may nilagay na silang gate. Hopefully yung gate is not closed, para makapasok tayo, gano'n, para para makakuha tayo ng basura. Ang daming deer dito, guys. Paminsan magdadrive ka dito, ang dami mong makikitang deer. Yung lips ko nagdry na. I forgot to put chapstick. My company is here. See, ayan eh.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. Let's go take. Tignan natin, guys, kung may laman. Tignan natin, guys, kung ano yung tinapon. Boxes. Hi, guys. Furniture tayo, guys, pero parang puro man style. Okay, guys, nandito tayo sa tingnan natin kung may tinapo. Inano talaga nila, guys. Inano talaga nila, oh. May pagkain doon, oh. Ano to? Oh my god. Ano to? Uy. Ano to? Jacket. Ano to? Adidas, oh. Oh my god. May nagtapon dito, oh. Ano to? Look, ang daming mga tinapon, guys. Oh. Okay. May security kasi dito, guys. Kaya yaon. Mga libro, oh. Nagagamit ko. Yan. Christmas decor. Oh my god. May laman. Okay, oh. May laman, guys. Okay. Oh my god. Maraming laman, oh. What the heck is this? Okay. I can take the whole thing out here. Nakakaloka. Okay, alis tayo. Okay, let's see. Wait, there's water. Oh. Okay, I'm not taking that. There's candies. Not taking it. Okay, my delivery truck, guys. So I'll stay and look in the garbage. It's nothing. It's all just bags. Okay, may delivery truck dito. What is this? Color, I can give you. Colors, guys. Dalhin ko ito, guys. I-donate natin ito. Loco stroller. Let's see kung anong laman dito. Okay, kunin natin ito. Dalhin natin yan. Baso. Okay pa eh. Buak. Uy, ano to? Ano to? Ano to? Relo na wala. Nawala yung mga charger. Nawala yung mga relo. Ano to? Okay, kunin natin ito. Kunin natin. Okay, dyan. Dito, relo. Dito. Charge. Dali natin yan. Wala akong lagayan. I think ilagay ko muna to sa sasakyan. Anong laman ito? May something sa loob. Tignan natin, guys. Pasukin natin. I don't know kung naka ano ba to? Kinuha yung mga relo, chinelas, ito, Kinuha yung mga relo. Look. Kinuha lahat. May salamin doon. Oh. Marami pa, guys. Okay, sira na siya. The next morning, as usual, mag-haul tayo ng nakuha natin sa basura. Pero guys, morning na guys, maligo man ako guys pagkatapos nito kasi mag-grocery pa ako. But anyway, ito na yung nakuha natin sa basurahan. And yun, meron tayong mystery cellophane garbage, malaking garbage bag, mystery. So hindi ko pa alam kung anong nasa laman kasi kagabi, kinuha ko yung kung ano yung nasa loob. And then sabi ko baka maabutan tayo ng security kasi yung area na yun may mga tindahan para siyang mall siya, so baka maabutan tayo ng security. So sabi ko dalhin na natin ito kasi yung security is pasaboy-saboy dun guys, and then itabunan ko na naman yung light ko, ganon. So yun, kaya dinala ko na andun sa garahean. So tignan natin mamaya ano yung mystery bag nandun. Hello guys, nakapajama pa talaga ako. So ito na tayo guys, ipakita ko na sa inyo kung ano yung nakuha natin. So yun, nakakuha tayo ng ito. May mga tag pa, may mga ano pa, diba? Padala lang naman ito sa Pinas guys. Look, oh. Yun, nakuha natin. Hindi ko siya kilala. Si Clara. Ang pangalan po niya, nahanap natin si Clara sa basura. Look. Ay, cookie kit. Cookie siya, oh. Yun. Hindi man ito pwede makain. Ano lang siya, decoration, look. Parang mag-build ka ng mga ano, cookie kit na ganito, look. Friends. Ito yung friends na ano, yung sila ni ano, Joey, Monica, ganon. Build your own Central Perk. Central Perk man yan, okay? Kung sino yung mahilig sa mga ganon. And then, meron tayong nakuha ng mga, ano, oh, masusuot ko to, guys. Large. Yung mga ano, oh, pangbahay, oh, look, oh. Anong sira nito? Wala. Walang sira. Hindi ko alam kung bakit tinapon. So, yung magagamit ko to dito sa loob ng bahay. Ito. Next is, ito din, look. Oh, mga ano, oh. So, ito guys, oh, masuot ko din ito, look. And yung mga size nito is ito medium, masuot ko to, look. Maganda siya. So, guys, alam ko talagang brand new siya kasi, look, may mga ito pa, oh. May mga ano pa siya, look. I don't know, ano to siya. Micro plush blanket. Incredible soft with year-round warm. May mga brand new pa siya, guys. I don't know why. It's a Pitco store, guys. Pero tinapunan siya ng iba't ibang basura. I think may ibang mga ano doon nagtapon ng basura, look. Ang gagawin ko po is labhan ko po sila. O, diba? Ang dami na nating blanket. And this one, it's a weird blanket. Ito siya. Alam nyo bakit? May ano siya, oh, parang, look, it's dirty, that's why they throw it out. Madumi siya, kaya tinapon. Yung parang display nila ba, hindi nadumihan. Yun. Meron tayong nakuhang, ito, oh, special value 5-pack na ano, cotton rib packs. Yan, 5, puti. puti. Oh my God, marami na tayong maipadala. Ito is 15 bucks. Somebody open it and now they cannot sell it. Somebody open it and look at it. So now they don't wanna sell it because it's open. Look, somebody open it in the store. Ganyan yan sila guys kapag may mga nagsha-shopping and then ino-open nila kasi gusto nilang tignan. And then yun, hindi na siya mabinta, itatapon na lang. Look, padala yan sa Pinas. And then ito is a USB cable. I look at it. May ano pa siya. Andito yung wire. This probably can be used in any phone. Look. Type C and USB.
USB-C. It can be used in any phone. Only the newer phone.
Mga ganito. Oh.
I have hard drive with USB-C.
And then next is itong cellphone holder. Hindi ko talaga alam kung bakit mga tinatapon nila ito guys. Look. Oh. Cellphone holder nila. Look. Yun, ito siya is ano siya, oh, clippable. Clip, and then you can and then look, it's clip, and you can put your phone here, like that. Look, guys, para siyang snake guys, and then dito, i-clip mo siya, look. Ay, you know what? Maganda ito kapag mag-live. Sa basurahan ba, ganon, i-clip niya to, and then i-anong ganon. Oh my God, another thing to send to the Philippines. My brother can use this. Staples. Why this is staples? This is mix. And then another, to padala natin ito. Pang lalaki guys, oh. Ipadala natin to then. Ang dami na talaga akong ipadala guys, grabe. Uy, ang bango. Wala lang siyang cup, walang cover na perfume, look. Ang bango niya as in, ang bango. And I found another watch. Look on. Another stopwatch. Oh, the watch that you do, oh, look, oh. The same thing what we found. Sports watch. Look, another relo, guys, oh. Oh, this is Christmas, see? This is for Christmas, look. And then, there is another one here. This is stereo earbuds. Ito siya. Magamit. At saka, there's a lot of socks for babies, for kids, look. For kids, guys. Tinapon kasi hindi na nag-attach. Ito talagang mga tindahan, no? Kasi hindi na siya na-attach sa hanger, look. Kasi hindi na siya nakaganon. They throw it out because it's not anymore like this. Like this. Kakaluka talaga tong mga tindahan sa America West. This one, they threw it out because there is a crack here too. No, it's not. They threw it because they don't like it. Maybe, I don't know. Oh, there is an Adidas thing. Look. Dalawa, guys. Yung cup, but it's not to cover your face only, look. Oh, yeah. Sa visor. Look. Dalawa. Ay, this is a different incense. Pakita ko sa inyo dito mamaya. This one I can use. This I can use. You know what? To put the thing here, the plant. So, like decorative. The plant that I got. Yan siya. Ito, kinuha ko siya, guys. Air nose trimmer. Tommy have this. He never even used it. Meron siyang ganito. Hindi niya ginagamit. Look. I don't know. I'm gonna let that. Ha, lock. It's a cable lock. But I don't know if I did took all the thing, the rest. So, yan. Okay, underwear. And then, this, I found a dog. I found a dog for $7. I will display it. Look. Cute doggy. Broken, but look, I can put that. This is the thing. The back is broken, but the front is not. Look. You think I can take the glass in the backhand? Oh, it's broken too in the front. Bag. Look. Adidas. Look, guys. I can just stitch it, right? They really did it like this.
Yeah, forget it.
Ginano nila, bago nila tinapon, before they throw it out, they have to throw in it.
Oh, that's probably why it's that.
A stroller in the garbage. Look. Oh, I will ask. I will tell you. That's important. Hala, guys, ang bigat nito, guys.
Smart, guys.
Okay, what's the problem? Why they throw this out? What do you think is the problem, Tamimoy?
somewhere.
It's a nice one, right, Han?
Oh, it looks nice.
Looks nice, strong, and you can change the fingers. His thing here. Nice. Hopefully we have a baby.
You got storage to keep the baby's bottle on this side, the 2 bottles. You can put it's a little storage bag to carry diapers or wipes or whatever.
And there is storage under too, look. Ang ganda, guys. Naoy, sana masin ko to sa Pinas. So, i-open natin ito. Tignan natin kung anong tinapon. Kung bakit tinapon ito doon na side. So, first, ito yun siya, guys. May tinapon na, uy, yung ano, tawag nun? Yung pang-exercise na ano, oh. Iwan ko, guys, ang damit, ibang-ibang gamit dito, guys. Parang personal na gamit man ito. Look, may mga sulat, oh. Lens Crafter. It says, Alexa for $800, guys. Look. Tseke, $800. May Tseke dito, pero sabi pa, it's not a check. Ang laking ano, oh. $800. So, paano kaya kung Tseke ito, guys, no? Hindi mo man ito pwedeng ma-deposit kung walang signature din. So, yun. Kapag walang signature yung isang, ano, hindi mo siya ma-deposit. And then, may tinapong art, ano to? Glitter glue. Art skills na glitter glue. Maraming color pencil, look. Na ano siya, natanggal na, guys, yung mga color pencil. Ibalik natin, guys. Pero, guys, ang daming ano, look. Ano to? Look, a little tiny pancake maker. Oh, cupcake, something, look. Ano to? Safe. Look, oh. Look, may safe. Magagamit natin ito, guys. Hala, ang dami. Earning statement, oh, ni Alexa. Ang daming Tseke, oh. Mga Tseke, oh. And then, 432, 427, and then, 427, 439. Tinapon lang, diba? Kaloka, dapat ganyanan para hindi maano. Kuha yung information. 3,499. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Bakit tinapon? May mga papel, oh. Ano ito? Old Navy. Bill niya sa Old Navy. Magkaano yung utang niya? $17. Bakit nag-mix-mix na itong basura? From TG Maxx. So, yun guys, ito yung nakuha natin. Ito yung nasa ano. So, ang gagawin ko is, ilagay ko dito yung ano. Ayan. So, ito po yung nakuha natin guys. Salamat guys sa inyong panonood. Thank you so much. Ito yung sayang kasi nabiak pala yung ano niya. Look, ito dalawa. Thank you. Salamat guys. Kita-kits tayo sa mga susunod na vlog. Ito, maglalaban na naman tayo. 'Di ba? Relo. Ang ganda pa. Nag-andar pa guys. Umandar pa yung relo. Marami pa tayong maipapadala doon na relo. Kasi ang dami na. Din yun. Yun siya. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys sa susunod na dumpster dive or vlog. And somebody's want to get in. Look. Hala, it's snowing outside already. It's snowing outside, Rox. Rox. It's snowing, baby. Look, it's snowing. It's snowing. You don't see it, guys. Poor baby, Dada doesn't let you in. Look, nag-snow na naman. Say bye-bye, love.
Bye-bye, love.
Han. Bye.
Bye, guys.
He's cleaning the chandelier.